Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a 3D ring or cylinder text effect in CorelDraw. Like this. Okay, here we are in CorelDraw. First, create a rectangle, set the color to black, and set the outline to none. Right-click and lock the rectangle. Select the text tool and simply type your text like this. Now change the font and text size according to your preference. Select the circle tool, create a circle, set the outline color to white, and fill it with none like this. Select the text. Go to the text. Fit the text to the path. It will move your text to any path that you have created. Now simply move the text on the circle. And it will fit around the circle like this. Now here this property bar is open. Go to the text orientation option and choose the third text option. It will make your text half cylinder shape. Select the circle and make it a little bit oval shaped like this. Select the text, copy it, and paste it here, like this. Now just arrange the text according to your preference. Go to the property bar. Here are different options like you can flip your text, rotate your text, or expand your text circle. You can also do it manually. Now our ring effect is ready. Now I will show you some different ring effects. Select the text and make a copy of it. Move it upside. Select the text and type anything that you want. I am typing this dash bar or slash like this. You can increase this circle size or arrange it according to your preference. Select both circles and make a copy of it. Select the shape tool and delete the circle outline. Now you cannot edit text. If you want to edit text, then don't remove the circle. Okay, here is our first ring text effect done. Now make a second different ring text effect. Make a copy of it. You can change the ring color. Make a copy of this ring. And move it upside down like this. You can change the ring color. It will give this ring another look. Select the rings and make a copy of these. Now I will show you some different examples of this. You can change the ring color. Select the rings and make a copy of these. You can change the ring color. Okay, take a copy of this ring. And you can rotate the ring in any direction like this. You can make a copy of this ring and move the left side like this. It will give this ring different looks. Again, you can change the color of this ring. Take a copy of this ring. You can change the color of this ring. I will show you the last example. Take a copy of this ring. Set the rotation to 0 degrees. Make a copy of this, and rotate it 90 degrees. Here you can see the different types of 3D ring or cylinder text effects, and the best part of this tutorial is you can change the text. Text color, edit the text, scale up the text, or move the text to different positions.